Your GoPro is not starting up? Here is a video for you. I'm gonna show you how can you get the replacement for the defective product if it is under warranty. So let's go and see what you can do. First step in this process is to check the warranty duration provided by GoPro. So let's go to the browser and type GoPro warranty check. So just it says already 1 year, but let's go inside and check whether that's the same. So scroll down a bit and there it says, so if you have purchased a GoPro within last 12 months, then your GoPro is eligible for the replacement. So let's proceed for the okay, the next step is to find out what is wrong with the GoPro. So let's open the GoPro back case and remove the battery. So have the GoPro USB cable, take the phone adapter, just try to put it in and then have the power source next to you and attach it to the GoPro and try to switch on. Oh, okay. So which means that there is a problem with the battery. So we'll have to talk to the support team and get the battery as replacement. Okay, go to the web browser and type GoPro support and choose the second URL where it says gopro.com. So as you see, it says we are outside the business hours. Today is Saturday, so from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. is what the support will be available. So it's 6:30 p.m. in India. So probably 2 hours down the line, so we should be able to call the GoPro. So just come back in a flash. So I am back. The time is around 9 p.m. in India. So if you see the product page, it says we are in business hours, and if you scroll down a bit, just select the product, what are the product you would have purchased, and for the reason, something like battery not working. First name, just provide your details and the contact number. Just provide the contact number and the email address. Yes, click on contact us. You will expect a call in just few minutes. Provide all the information about your product and the issue you are facing. Once everything goes fine, GoPro will assure you that you will get a replacement for the defective item. As you have seen, in my case, battery was a problem, but GoPro could not send battery to our country. So GoPro offered me 3 products which can be a compensation for the battery. I can choose any one I like. I'm gonna get it in a couple of days. So I'm gonna choose one and then let's see whether I'm gonna get the product or not. Here is a package I got from GoPro.